How to add Wells Fargo debit card to digital wallet. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Wells Fargo and how you are going to be able to go ahead and add your Wells Fargo debit cards to your very own digital wallet in the easiest way. Now, Wells Fargo, as we all know, is one of the most used banking applications out there. Okay, and it's a banking software that allows you to go ahead and send money from anywhere in the world. And you can also, at the same time, have your credit cards created directly on Wells Fargo. Now, once you create your credit cards on Wells Fargo or debit cards, how are you going to connect those to your very own digital wallet like Google Pay, Apple Pay, and a whole lot more? So, that is what we're going to be talking about today. Now, when it comes to connecting your current debit card for Wells Fargo to your current digital wallet, Wells Fargo has a whole full-fledged plan for it. So first of all, what you're going to do is obviously you're going to get your cards. So Wells Fargo has its Visa and MasterCards, and you can choose the card that fits your life, okay? You can obviously go ahead with a card that suits you best, and that will always obviously go along with your working. So, you get all these cards like Wells Fargo, Visa, Wells Fargo, Autograph Journey, and a whole lot more. It goes on and on. And obviously, different cards give you different things. Like some give you cash back, some give you rewards, some give you 0% intro APR. Then you get travel cards, balance transfer, no annual fee cards. And then you also have the business cards. Okay. So different cards of different kinds give you different types of features. Like this business card will give you $500 cash reward bonus when you spend 5,000 in purchases. In rewards, you get unlimited 2% cash rewards on purchases that you made for your business with no categories to track and no limit to the amount of rewards that you can earn. So on, it has $0 of annual fee, and the APR is $0 intro APR for 12 months from account opening on purchases 17.74% dash 25.74% variable APR thereafter. So pretty fun and pretty solid stuff to go through with. And when it comes to using your credit or debit card and guiding them to your digital wallet, that is also a proper guide that Wells Fargo has provided you on their website. So when it comes to on the terms of transferring money and paying bills, you can pretty much easily add your main cards that you use to your digital wallet when it comes to Wells Fargo. Now, it's a simple way to pay in store, in app, or online. So, first of all, you can secure purchases. Digital wallets allow you to make secure payments without sharing your actual card numbers. Then, it's also widely accepted. So, you can choose your Wells Fargo debit or credit card when you check out in store, in app, or online. It's also uniquely yours, so you can confirm your identity with a PIN or biometric scanner or fingerprint when you use a digital wallet. You can also move on to the ATM accessibles. Okay, so the ATM accessibles basically provide you with different details like tapping your mobile device on contactless symbol at a Wells Fargo ATM, and you can simply go ahead and enter your PIN as well. Now, when it comes to how to using digital wallets, you can add cards to your digital wallet, use your digital wallet at checkout, and get instant purchase confirmation. Now, the available digital wallets when it comes to Wells Fargo are as so. So you have Pays, you have Apple Pay, Google Pay, Samsung Pay, PayPal, and Garmin Pay. So you have all these different types of payment modules that you can use for yourself. So let's say in my case, my digital wallet is Apple Pay. And to get idea of how you're going to guide from Wells Fargo to Apple Pay, you can pretty much go to Apple Pay's FAQs. Now over here, you have all the FAQs that people usually ask about Apple Pay when it comes to connecting with Wells Fargo. But if you want more details, obviously you can either contact Apple support and ask them what to do, or you can contact the people at Wells Fargo and ask them what to do. Now, moving on, once this is all done, in the general section here, it's going to ask you how to use Apple Pay. So, how do I get Apple Pay? You can access Apple Pay through the Apple Wallet, which basically comes pre-installed on your eligible iOS device. Now, when you're setting up a new device, you'll have the opportunity to add eligible Wallet Fargo cards, which are on the Wells Fargo list, or you can always open the Apple Wallet app to add cards at any time. Now, Apple Pay can be used at any place where you have some symbol like this, where you can simply use Apple Pay's connect and, proper P2P transfer. And if your Wells Fargo card is connected, your Wells Fargo card will charge the money through Apple Pay. How do you add Wells Fargo card to App Wallet? There are two ways to do that. Through Wells Fargo mobile app or directly through the Apple Wallet. So to add your card through the mobile app, what you're going to do is you're going to tap menu in the bottom bar, go to card settings, you're going to tap Apple Pay, and you're going to add to Apple Wallet. Okay, it's that simple and it's that easy. And there are also specific MasterCards and Visas that you can use with Apple Pay, so you can add most Visa and MasterCard branded Wells Fargo debit and credit cards to Apple Pay. You can also, it says, how do I set my Wells Fargo card as my default? That obviously goes through with your settings on your Apple Pay. And can I add multiple cards to Apple Wallet? You can add up to 12 eligible cards on Apple Pay and on any enabled devices. So basically, that's the main idea on how you can connect your digital wallet to your Wells Fargo's debit or credit card. So yeah, that's the main idea about Wells Fargo. If you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is all from me and I'll see all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.